IMS Indore. He has worked with companies like Gajra Gears, LML, Hero Honda, Case Constructions. He has conducted various training programs on TQM, TPM, lean manufacturing concept, single piece flow, assembly techniques and communication skills. He has an experience of 27 years in the field of HR. I invite you, sir, to contribute towards the summit.
Good afternoon. Oh. I'll be free if instead of using this, I thought yeah. So thank you first for organizing such a beautiful summit. As earlier speaker also said, this is the first time in the central India this kind of summit is organized. Thanks to the Agropolis management, Sojatia Saab, Gaurav ji, really thanks for that. Thanks Mr. Sumit Singh also for inviting me and giving an opportunity to interact with all youngsters as well as the senior faculty members and HR. As my introduction, which is already given, now I am belong to a company, is a Case Construction. Case New Holland Construction Equipment India Private Limited. This is the name of the company. So far, this is earlier, just to give background of this company is worldwide in 142 countries. They have got their operations. Construction equipment, they are the second world leader in the world, and they are manufacturing construction equipment and agriculture equipment. Construction equipment, we are manufacturing at Pithampur is a loader backhoe and compactors. These are the products, which is a local language, you can call it as a bulldozer and compactors, road rollers, normally people talk about. This is almost a $42 billion company, and as far as the Pithampur is concerned, we are a 700 crores company. Earlier this company started in 1990 here in Pithampur with Larsen & Toubro. So madam was there earlier from Larsen & Toubro, and that is how I joined at 1990, and I became a part of Larsen & Toubro at that time. Larsen & Toubro continued this, and after that they had a joint venture with L&T Case, and from 1st of April 2011, Case has become a wholly owned company of this construction equipment. And now they want to grow this business in India as a construction equipment business. Now, whatever the speaker you heard, they were all, I say, they are from all Indian national companies. Now we, from 1st of April, we became a multinational. Now, what is a multinational? Everybody has heard about the globalization and thing, and a lot of things you have heard the multinational. You read it, some people must have experienced it also. But then what we experience it, I'll just tell you what we experience. Because we have seen as an Indian company, now we are seeing as a multinational company. Now what are the changes? Then I'll come to my topic of work-life balance. So what is happening? Next please. What is happening to our MNC? What has happened when it became a MNC? What has happened? First we see what is the opportunity what we got it. First opportunity we got it, our technology improvement has taken place. The product and processes have started improving. Our system started improving because there are a lot of new concepts have come, there are a lot of new methodologies have come, which is not common in Indian company. So this is what is the change we observed. Another thing is, there are a lot of new concepts like technology concept. I think you must have heard world-class manufacturing. Now that kind of concept has come. So far it was only in the books we have learned, we heard. Now it is coming to our realities. And it is really, I am telling you, it is not just word, they mean it. They want to make company as a world-class manufacturing company. So this is what is the change, as madam has referred. So we are going to a transformation. And we are in the transition phase from Indian national company to a multinational company. So other thing is, what is really the opportunities are there. So far we are all comparing with our Indian companies. Now we are comparing with a global company. World-class companies. We have been compared with the world-class companies. So it is benchmarked with the foreign companies, company. What is the other thing is inform. As an Indian, we have little hesitant for exchanging the informations. That kind of our mindset is there. But today, in our multinational company, we are easily accessible for information across the world. That information we can see that. Growth opportunity, of course, learning, knowledge and skill that we can upgrade because a lot of new concepts and everything are coming. Global market, yes. Today we are selling in the market, only the Indian market. Now we are going to sell in the global market. These are the opportunities which we are selling. And another thing is, which I feel is, which other Indian companies has, I don't know, all other companies, but most of the companies, they are not transparent. They call it they are transparent, but they are not transparent. Openness is very less. But in multinational culture, we are seeing that their openness is too much. When we send a mail, very simple example, when we forward to somebody, we always see that whether to forward to whom or not to forward, or what to write or not to write. But they don't believe in this. If there is a mail, 10 mail are there, they just send like this. Whatever interaction happened to it, whichever level is happened, that is open for all. So these kind of changes are, so our all employee and we, including me, we are going through a transformation. And we are in a transition phase from Indian company to multinational. Next please. Now what are the challenges? These are the opportunities. What are the challenges? Another very important thing is communication. I use this word as not a jargon, is a stay connected. What they mean is, we have been given a BlackBerry mobile. Initially when I distributed BlackBerry mobile to all our employees, I was very happy, oh, the company has given a BlackBerry mobile, which costs us so much. But then I realized, it's not only for that BlackBerry purpose, they want me to be connected for almost 24 hours. Why? Why so? Because our counterpart in other, they start at 12 hour as per time, they start there at 12:30 in Italy. So they go up to 8 o'clock. And US, when they start, some companies, they start at 7 o'clock in the Burlington or this thing. They start at 7 o'clock, that means it's 5:30 or 6 o'clock. So the whole day, up to night also, we are connected. We have to connect it. If the mail comes, we have to answer it. We have to reply. We have a conference call. So these are the change in the culture. The speed. They don't believe in the chalta attitude. They don't believe. Speed. Today if it is said, it should happen today. There is no allowance for tomorrow. It should happen today. So this is what is speed. Now, whatever you say, all stories. Indians, we are made for stories. We all say stories. This is not happened, this is not happened because this has happened. They said nothing. We believe in what you deliver. Stories, keep aside. Stories are not required. Again, a professionalism has come. Earlier, we call it Larsen Toubro. When we were working, we were also saying we were professional. Yes, Larsen Toubro is professional. But real professionalism, we are experiencing now. What you are supposed to do it, you do it. If don't talk about other areas. Be professional, be competent, be master of your area. Don't talk about others. Then, last is attrition. Attrition is now, because those people are not able to sustain this kind of the changes, they are now finding they have to move out. The old people who are in the organization, they are not able to make it changes according to, they are moving. They can't adjust the culture. So that's attrition. Jobs, challenges to the existing employees, of course. Then it is next is what is different that I said, every 24 hours we are connected, our work-life balance getting affected. So that is why I have come to the work-life balance, how it is happening in our company. Earlier, it was quite a balance. I will not say balance will not be there. Earlier it was quite a balance, we used to say that, but now it is getting, work is getting loaded and life is getting affected. This is what is happening. Now, it's not only our company. If you see that there is a survey has been done by the National Insurance Company, we say that even 50% of the top corporate executives lose their current position now because of the work-life balance. 64 workers feel that they are because of their work pressure, they are self-inflicted. Infected. 70% of US responded and 81% global responded that it is affecting their health. That job is, workplace is, it is affecting their life. 46 or 90% they said that it is an interpersonal relationship also it is affecting. These data, These are the only just to give an idea about that. It's not only our company or even Indian companies, every company, even Indian companies also there are a lot of work-life balances problems are there. But particularly the multinationals, these kind of things are more. This is what I feel is. And 4 out of the 10 employees that say that their jobs are very or extremely very tough or stressful. This what is the now survey or data says. Now, when I was going through all these changes, and when we are talking about, when I go to the people, when I talk to about the people, everybody has got as a change management process. Everybody is now scared. Everybody has a job satisfaction problem. Everyone has got a one or other kind of problem. And what they say, the olden days was very good. We used to enjoy life. We used to work also. But nowadays it is not. So that kind of thing came into mind. And when I was just going to the shop floor also, when I go into the offices also, and when I meet the managers and other people also, this kind of feedback comes. So then I just going through that. Then I thought, when I was watching a TV one day, then I thought there is one ad was there. That is a car ad. I felt very appealing, that ad. And that's why I am referring here. Next, please. Yeah, please.
एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। अरे ओढ़ने ओढ़ने हो, ओढ़ने ओढ़ने हो, ओढ़ने ओढ़ने।
ना वो दिन वापस आएंगे, ना वो खुली वादियों जैसी पार्किंग।
That's all. So idea behind this message is, which I felt it, na wo din wapas aayenge, na wo khuli wadiyan wapas aayenge. That's why I communicate to my people that when they say that will not come. So everyone feels that those olden days cannot come. So there is a real challenge from HR point of view, and even from line management point of view, that we need to see what are the real issues and how we can make a connect with our employees. So my attrition is reduced, my work life is balanced properly, and as madam said, employability also we need to improve upon. So though everything is not related to the package, because youngsters feel that everything is package. What we get is, okay, multinational, first question has come when it become a multinational, salary kitna badega? The first question came in everybody's mind, how much salary will increase? Now my easy question was that, is multinational company has come to increase the salary? But they came here to do the business. So it's not that salary increase is a part of that. They, of course, they will bring their own, their benchmarking, their study, whatever they do it along the all companies. They will do it. Competitors, they will do it. But that is not the first thing. First thing is the transformation, culture, the systems, what they want to bring it, so that the company can grow and the business can grow. That's what is it. Now, once when the stresses, with the work-life balance, when you talk about, of course, you know that the stresses are there, which is a common, everyone knows the stresses. And stresses affect not only the physiologically, it is a psychological also. People have got a problem, maybe stomach upset, maybe the headache problem, which is a common for all. So this stresses causes a lot of problems, everybody knows. Psychological problems also are there. So these are the things which always affect the stresses. And stresses are not only a gender specific. They are not only related to the man's only we have the stresses. Women also equally get affected. And when they are working in this environment nowadays, all our people are getting affected equally. So I don't feel that only the men's are getting affected. Everyone is getting affected. And workplace is considered a major cause of the stresses for today's world, and that is what is affecting our work-life balance. Next, please. Now, what is